Hey there friends, I am so excited to show you the November-December 2020 catalog from close to my heart. I can hardly believe it's already November, but here we are, and this beauty is full of new products to share with you. So this page talks about the Craft with Heart scrapbooking kit and card making kit. You guys should definitely check those out because they are awesome. They have great instructions, and you can get your stories, your photos in your scrapbook really quickly, as well as make some beautiful cards. So the first collection that we have in the catalog is Jingle Joy, which I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to share it with you. There are some beautiful colors in this one. It's really modern and fun. So I love flamingo and raspberry and clover together. I think it's gorgeous. Here are all the pattern papers. Like I said, I'm going to show you this one. Coordinating cardstock, these really fun black and white die cuts. There's some Cricut shapes, and then there's the Picture My Life cards, which I love. There's also the card making stamp and the scrapbooking stamp. Really, really love this one. This is the Scrapbooking Workshop Kit, so it has different layouts, like ready to go instructions. Those are a great way for you to create really quickly if you don't have the time to come up with your own ideas. And then there is the Card Making Workshop Kit, same thing but with cards. Next up is Serenity. Look how beautiful this is. It's kind of like this beautiful blue, wintry wonderland kind of collection. It has flowers in it. It has gold foil, craft. It's just really beautiful. I love the patterns. I love these wreaths in this toffee background. I love this pattern here. It's like a mixed media when you can't make your own mixed media, which is perfect for me. There's also some glitter in this one. I can't wait to share that with you. There are the scrapbooking stamp and the card making stamp. And then you have the Scrapbooking Workshop Kit, the Card Making Workshop Kit, and here's my usually favorite thing, the mix-in patterns, which are always amazing. They go great with the current collections. Look at how they've mixed and matched the collections with the mix-in kit here to create some fabulous things. Just love it. Also love that they always have artwork tips in these catalogs. I just love looking through them and getting inspired. So here are some new stamp sets. There are some Gnome for Christmas, which is really fun. It's a great opportunity for you to sit down and color some really cute little gnomes. I love this one, Beachside Season's Greetings. This one's super cute too, the Jubilee Crew, and I love this thin card to show you some inspiration using that one. Winter Friends, super cute. This one is really fun, and I can't wait to show you this one, Merry Borders. Look at how fun this is. You kind of build up these natural looking plants on your border to make something gorgeous. Reason for the Season, Noel. Trust in the Lord, which is beautiful. It has some really gorgeous lettering on it. There's the Shine Bright Menorah, Confetti Cheers, Joy. Look at these snowflakes, you guys, and look at this layout below that shows you that you can, add those to a border on your layout. Just gorgeous. This one's so sweet too. Welcome, sweet one. And if you can hear some heavy breathing, I have a baby on my chest right now as I'm showing you all these new products, so my apologies. There's some On Your Birthday from the Wildflowers. Thank you, Laurel. Super sweet. I just love, look at this one. I love those lettered words. And then this is brush lettering with a Melissa Esplin, which is beautiful, so you can kind of practice on your brush lettering. Someday I will have time for that. And then always love the Story by Stacy products. There's a workshop kit here. You guys be sure to check that out. Stamp of the month. Oh my goodness. I think we all need this one. You Warm My Heart. Coffee and pie. What's better than that? And then you have Happiness Never Grows Old, which is really sweet one. Okay, so that is the November-December catalog. Let's check out the products. Okay, let's take a look at Jingle Joy first up. This is the paper packet and sticker sheet, and I always love the stickers. This one is so super fun, you guys. Look at this Dear Santa big title, this fun Santa Claus here, holiday happenings, Merry Christmas, all really nice big things for you to add to a layout. I love the I've Been Good. I'm going to be using this afternoon to create a new layout for Scrapbooking Cards Today magazine, so be sure to check that out tomorrow on their YouTube feed. There's a really fun black and white polka dot. Oh, went too far there. Black and white polka dot and like a candy cane stripe. There's this plaid with some lights and ornaments, black and white hearts, and colorful trees. And then these are the die cuts, these black and white really fun die cuts. Aren't those really cool? I just love them. That white is so super white, you guys, and you could definitely write on those with a permanent pen. Love that ho ho ho. And then here are the colors, flamingo and black. There's the darker green, and there's raspberry, which I always love, and clover. And then you get that nice smooth white as well. So those are the coordinating cardstocks to Jingle Joy. Super, super fun collection. Really excited to use it this afternoon. Next up we have Serenity. This is the paper pack and sticker sheet. Like I said, really beautiful wintry vibes with beautiful blues and whites and golds. So pretty. I really love this pattern. I just think it's gorgeous. It looks kind of like ice on a windshield. Really cool. With a floral background. There's the pine cones, which look how beautiful that is. It already creates a nice frame around your layout. And then some of the neutral pattern back here. Love this one too. I could see myself fussy cutting those guys out, and a floral there. This is the coordinating cardstock, and check this out, you guys. Glitter in the coordinating cardstock, and it is gorgeous glitter. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't come off on your hands. Super excited about that. And the rest of the cardstock here. And sapphire, always my favorite. And then take a look at these Bluebell glitter gems. They are just beautiful. Super excited about these. I love glitter gems. They make me happy. They make me super happy. And they're faceted too. It's not just glitter inside a smooth gem on top. They're faceted. So they're really, really fun. So there's large and small. I'm always loving those mixing, guys. Look at how awesome these patterns are. Just, they're always such amazing usable patterns that you can, you know, use to stretch your collection or use on their own. So pretty. And so fun. They're always fun. Oh my goodness, I can't even. And then the mix-in coordinating cardstock. So if you need a bit extra cardstock here for your collections, there you have it. Okay, let me show you some of the new stamp sets that I received from my friends that are close to my heart too. Okay, first up I have the Jingle Joy Scrapbooking stamp. So it has a big Merry Christmas, Just Believe, trees, a star, ornaments, just really fun and playful. I really love it. And I also have the thin cuts with those. These always come with the thin cuts, and they're awesome. Just having those thin cuts, just awesome. Serenity Scrapbooking. This is that blue collection that we love. So there's a beautiful wreath here, a little journaling tab. These are great for making borders when you can't do that on your own with a pen. Some tabs here. And this is really fun. So you could write, you could use the word hope. You could do love, joy. There's a lot of different opportunities in that one, and they're nice and big too, so perfect for a title. Oh my goodness. For all my gnome lovers out here, a gnome for Christmas. Look at how cute they are. I love this one with the reindeer ears, and this one sorting out the lights. This one with the gift. This one says, "I'll be gnome for Christmas." So super fun cards that you can create with this one. And like I said, awesome opportunities for coloring if you want to stamp a bunch and just color your heart out while you watch The Mandalorian Season 2, which might be what I'm doing this weekend. Awesome stamp for that. Next up is the Jubilee Crew. I'm really excited they sent me these because they're so cute, and the bear in the sweater just really does it for me. I don't know about you guys, but I also love the font here for wishing you a Merry Christmas and Dear Santa, but I just love the bear. Gotta use the bear. Lastly, I have the Merry Borders. This is the one that I was telling you guys about. I can't wait to try it out. It's just really cool how you can use as many or as few of the borders as you want. So you can start with the ferns and then add the leaves and then the grasses and the evergreen. It's just really fun. Just really fun. And then all you have to do is add a sentiment in the middle and you're done. Isn't that cool? Just love it. I know you guys will love the new Close to My Heart products as much as I do. So head to their website where you can find all of the brand new products that I've shown you today, find a consultant, and find out more about being a Close to My Heart VIP. It's a brand new program that you definitely want to check out. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Stay tuned for some process videos where I'm using these brand new products from Close to My Heart. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating!